the Valley neighborhood is bracing for the worst ahead of a possible nasty storm in a matter of hours. You can see the area near Blue Diamond and Jones is trashed after yesterday's severe weather ravaged the southwest part of the valley.
There was so much water it even uprooted trees, and as 13 Action News reporter Brian Callahan found out, those who call this area home are demanding changes.
This is where it appears all of that water was coming down through this natural wash into this storm drain with a half an inch of rain falling in 2 hours on Monday night. Those on the other side of this pipe say a river was running through it.
The mud you see on this street did not come from our street. It came out of that pipe.
The park in William Shea's neighborhood was meant to handle extra rainwater.
They obviously built it for that purpose because you can see the curbing.
But the deluge that hit the Southwest Valley on Monday was more than it could handle, leaving the neighborhood underwater.
It was like a river coming right down.
That water left an unmistakable trail of damage.
When there's so much water that it lifts the trees out of the ground and knocks them down, that's when you start to have to, point towards who do I need to talk to?
In previous storms, Shea says the water has slowly flowed through, leaving a minor but gross mess behind.
It's usually about 1,000 or 2,000 cigarette butts. We've even seen condoms float down the street in a rainstorm, which is pretty gross.
But those who live in the neighborhood say the damage from Monday's storm was the breaking point.
This can't happen all the time. Something's got to be done.
What do you want to see done?
We need the county or NDOT to step up and possibly, create a dialogue with us about rerouting this this drainage. This is not okay what we have going on here. This is about $20,000 worth of damage.
We reached out to Clark County. They said they're going to be looking into this issue for the neighbors, but they said it's not a simple solution when it comes to figuring out who's responsible because the land is in Clark County, but a lot of the washes and drainage are managed by the Regional Flood Control District. And then there's the fact that this pipe is under Blue Diamond Road, which is an NDOT highway, and of course the neighborhood is private property. Reporting near Blue Diamond and Jones, Brian Callahan, 13 Action News.